Introducing driver number 1, master of the mustache, Mario.
It's me, Mario.
Introducing driver number 2, dressed all in pink, Princess Peach. Today we are doing the Roomba Mario Kart Challenge. What is that? Well, if you ever played Mario Kart before, the drivers have balloons attached to them and the opponent tries to pop all of their balloons. There's a catch today though. We have a Roomba with a very sharp object, a knife, attached to it. So we have different colored balloons, red and pink, and the Roomba is going to try to randomly stab these balloons.
Last balloon standing wins.
Right, and so this time Shelby has no advantage. She has none at all. So I have a big 50-50 shot of winning this, so there's a lot of hope for me today.
You're in my face.
We have these very sharp nails that we're going to stab each other's balloons with. Engines ready! Get the pink one! No, go! You get it!
I don't like this.
So after a brief failure, we have now added 2 knives to the Roomba. May the best Mario or Peach win. Start your Roomba engine. What was that?
I thought it was gonna go straight.
Oh, get away from the red one! Get out of there!
Is there a way to steer this thing?
No! Oh, it's gonna go home now. The Roomba's mad, and it's now shut off on us.
I don't know what plan B is.
Take 2. We are now using multiple knives after the Roomba got mad at us, and the original knife was stabbing all the boxes that we had blocking off the area. So hopefully this will work again. Here we go.
At least I'm gonna
Oh, watch it! Watch out, Red! Watch out, Red! Ah, that hurt me! We're gonna lose a knife! Get it! It's not popping it, Shelby!
Why are you yelling?
I don't know. So I have a very unhappy wife right now. She was looking very much forward to doing the Roomba Mario Kart Challenge. So now we're gonna have to do something else. We've now come up with throwing nails at the balloons instead of having
balloons.
Yes, the Roomba was not too kind. It would not pop the balloons, which I'm very shocked about. So now we're going to see our aiming skills and throwing skills at the balloons to see how we are at that. So hopefully take 2 will be better. Sorry for the inconvenience.
It's like take 5.
Yes, it's like take 5, but
This will be better. I'm gonna win. This it's a skill challenge now. No,
yes, now we're back to a skill challenge. So now she has a big advantage, but I don't know how your throwing skills are. Hopefully you throw like a girl. Ha ha. Okay. These balloons are like made of steel. Where did that nail go? This video just might be a failure challenge. Nobody wins.
Round 3.
We have now moved to screws, yet a balloon has not been popped. So I have this long screw here. I'm going to attempt to hit a pink balloon because I forgot. Okay. We're so excited. Oh, this worked! And now I got balloon in my eye. Now I'm going to... I keep forgetting what color I'm going to. Okay. Right here. 2 balloons to 3 balloons. Okay. It's all about where the dang thing hits. Oh my gosh, now it's hard. I don't think Yes, we are a bunch of goofballs. Okay, this one's right here. Shh.
So one worked, and now it's never gonna.
I need a nail.
It's a screw!
Woo! Slow motion would look real good on this. This doesn't happen very often. I am got a big majority here. You can probably see a couple of balloons sticking over her walking around there. Going for my last pink balloon. Watch out, Peach. Mario is not coming to help today. That was sad. Way left. You have really good form, but it's not working out.
So that's why yours works, is because you have good form.
I won!
I hate this game.
She suggested this game, and now her last balloon is getting popped. And I'm gonna go really slow. 1, 2.
Just pop it!
Ow! Now I'm gonna have a bruise.
Just pop it!
I missed. It didn't pop.
Just pop
I'm
it!
trying. It popped. Are you happy?
No!
Why are you so scared? There's no snakes here. Just Mark holding a nail.
Oh, let me pop your balloon.
No, you don't get to pop my balloons. No, that's not. No! No, stab me! Just hit it!
See? It's not any fun!
Why are you yelling? Now I'm all sweaty. Not from my ears.
Bye. Bye.
Whew. Who won this time? It's me, Mario!
Hello, my name is Mark. What's so fun? Oh, she's gonna do it.
Did it work?
Give me the helium.
We're missing right now. My name is Mark.
Good thing we're married.
Watch out, everybody. What is going to happen? That's all, folks.